Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video I'm going to cover the Cuisinart Soho single serve coffee maker. Alright, the Cuisinart Soho single serve coffee maker. Let's jump right in, as we always do. Soho, which is short for small office, home office. And I think this is the first single serve coffee maker that Cuisinart put out. I was waiting for them to come out with a single serve, at least one that uses the K-cup pods. I mean, maybe they did have a model out previously, but I just never came across it. This is the first one that I've seen, so that's pretty cool. And this I picked up in Target. I actually saw this in Target. I wasn't even researching. $89.99, and that's as of early June 2024 as I record this. Now, for the $89.99, Cuisinart keeps this very basic and very simple. There's very few options. In fact, there's really no options. You just have a brew button, and that's it. For the price, you know, you might want to compare it to the K-Mini Go, or maybe the Keurig. When I say the K-Mini Go, I mean the Keurig K-Mini Go or the Keurig K-Express, or even the K-Mini, the basic model, just so you get an idea before you drop 90 bucks on this. This is the reservoir in the back. This cover comes off. It's a little tight, but it eventually comes off. You have to work with it. At least mine was tight in the beginning. And there you have it. If you want extra bold, you would put in 6 ounces, bold, 8 ounces, a regular cup, which we'll be doing today, 10 ounces. Sorry if the focus is a little, it needs a little adjustment, and you have light, which is 12 ounces. At the base of the unit, we have the drip tray. That's the drip tray cover that removes, as well as the drip tray itself for easy cleaning. From the base to the, excuse me, you know, when I hit the record button, this is when my allergies decide to attack me, so I do apologize if I do sound stuffed up. Every now and then this happens. There's nothing I can do about it. I just get bad allergies. But from the base to the spout, I just wanted to mention that's 7 inches. With the drip tray in place, you get 6 inches from the base all the way up to the spout. And you see this slot here? You could also choose that option. So I guess I lied. It does come with one little feature. And what is that by you? I think that was like 4. Yeah. Like 4 1/4. So without the drip tray, you have 7 inches. With the drip tray, at the bottom, 6, and 4 1/4 should you choose this slot right here, that height. And also the height of the unit is 12 inches. The depth is about 11.5 inches, and the width is approximately 4 3/4. And these are all approximate measurements. All right, now for a demonstration of it in use, we're just going to do 10 ounces, approximately 10 ounces. That should do. Once again, I'm using this Maxwell House breakfast blend for this demo. Lift that up. Just pop that in there. Close it. We're gonna plug it in. You know, I did miss something. I missed something. I knew I was gonna miss something. But I'm gonna keep recording. The back of the unit, you have cord storage. So this cord pulls out. What do we get out of this? Okay, I have 30 inches. So you have a 30-inch cord that stores in the back of the unit. Actually, you have to put the K-pod in, then close it. They want you to plug it in first before you put the pod in. It's not supposed to flash like that. It's supposed to be solid. So we'll try that again. And we're going to time it. Okay, that took, figure 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Now during testing, this wasn't too impressive. I got like 154. Yep, 155, all right. A little improvement, but that's not the hottest. Flavor-wise, it wasn't so bad. All right, let's see. I mean, you know, there's heat there. It doesn't really punch you the way I like. I mean, I like a hot cup of coffee. I really do. I mean, it's not cold. It's just not hot. Everybody has their different preferences, but I like to give the temperature. If you like a really hot cup of coffee, I mean, maybe you might want to research the K-Mini Go or another coffee maker. Any Keurig will give you the 165, 170 range. This just works. I'll put it that way. The flavor is good. It's not like the flavor is bad. It's just, for me, I could use at least 10 more degrees. But that's going to be the video of this model. I thank you for watching. Once again, any feedback, please put it in the comments. I love reading your feedback. Like the video, share the video, do all that good stuff. That's definitely helped my channel grow. I thank you for watching once again, and I will see you in my next one.